I think the best thing is to find your product, which we have seen a lot of, especially our selection committee and the team management, they're sticking with the same combination, and it's just gaining experience and sticking with the same product which they have selected for white ball cricket, and they're giving consistent chances for those cricketers. That's the only best, I think, option for us to stick with the same guys and give them more opportunities so they gain confidence and they know that, okay, even after a year or after a few months we'll be playing the World Cup and we have a better chance. Especially these games, of course every game is very important, but take every game as a preparation for the World Cup. Well, thanks for telling me that. It gives a lot of confidence, and I think being a senior player, a lot is on your plate, and it's not just to perform, it's to share your experience with youngsters and tell them how to play in these conditions. So everything is there. Having said that, we have a bunch of talented youngsters in our team, and they're improving day by day, which is a great sign for our cricket. And by the time you get to the World Cup, a lot of our youngsters will play 30, 40 more ODIs, gain experience, and then we have a good chance of doing well in the World Cup.
Good success there.
Yeah, especially when we talk about white ball cricket, we have been doing well. Home series as well as away series also. But yes, new opportunity, new series. Of course, you got to give your best shot to still compete against one of the best side. But yes, the team or the guys is in good shape. We had a great session today, and I think preparation-wise, everything's going in the right direction. It's just on that particular day, the day we are playing, we need a few of us to perform. Well, I think it's the consistency, and consistency comes whoever is in good form. A lot depend on that particular player or that 4 or 5 players. If they consistently perform, what we have seen in the recent series, that we have seen, if the bowling unit's doing well, they did well on a consistent basis, and as well as for the batters. So I think same tactics and same goals we have in our mind, and I think it's the execution of those plans.
You personally?
Well, I think it's the consistency, and consistency comes whoever is in good form. A lot depend on that particular player or that 4 or 5 players. If they consistently perform, what we have seen in the recent series, that we have seen, if the bowling unit's doing well, they did well on a consistent basis, and as well as for the batters. So I think same tactics and same goals we have in our mind, and I think it's the execution of those plans.
You personally?
Yes, of course, and I think it's a great opportunity for all the cricketers to play here, and going to play against one of the best sides in the world. And I think just before the World Cup, if you play comparative series or playing against tough teams, it's always great preparation before getting into big things.
Like Alex, you're still feeling good, hungry?
Yeah, I'm still feeling good, enjoying my game. Gets a lot of support from the management and back home. But of course, performance is something which always gives you happiness and keep you going. And not just performance, I think grooming youngsters and sending always positive sign in the dressing room, that's a lot. That matters a lot to me, and still if your captain's sending you at the hot spot in fielding, I still enjoy that the most.
You said you had good preppers. Are there any injury concerns you know about?
Well, I haven't seen any of us didn't practice today. All of us we practiced, and everyone looked in good nick.
Shab, you've got such a great record when playing in South Africa. What is it about playing in